Hello, here at Chrizlys Modellbau Werkstatt. Today unboxing of the Sky Patrol Lockheed TR1 from Italeri. Kit number is 822, scale 1:48. Yeah, the U1 or TR1 as it's called nowadays. It's an U1 or TR1. It's a reconnaissance aircraft. So very nice aircraft. Nickname the Dragon Lady, and let's see how Italeri has made this kit. Here's the manual. The kit is very easily keeping. The cockpit, main fuselage. We have the possibility to make single-seater cockpit or double-seater cockpit, wing assembly, and then gear, and then it's this. Now, this Dragon Lady can be built in two versions, single-seater and double-seater. The single-seater version, we have the civil version for the NASA, then the black one for the CIA, and in the double-seater version, in insignia white for the US Air Force. I guess double-seater version definitely got a choice, but we will see. Then what do we have here? So we have the decal sheet. Here's the emblem for the NASA. Looks not so bad, it's clearly made. Oh, let's see. How about the kits? First, die casting, main fuselage, the cockpit. We have always positive lines. Cockpit, you have very small pins and so on. Yes, it's not so bad. The seats are not so fine, but anyway. I think in general it's good casted. Some small casting defects we have here inside, but this is not so. I think should be not big issue. We can also build the aircraft with open air brakes. I think that's a good idea, so that I'm going to do. Here we have the clear side parts, the windscreens, for the single-seater and double-seater version. Oh, they're looking not so bad, clear made. Here we have some burr. It's not so good, but okay. The huge wings, you see, the very huge aircraft. Also here, positive lines. Maybe with scratch you could make flaps let down. Well, the tailoron. The second airframe part. These tubes here are for the video camera optics. It's going to be assembled below the wing. Then, last but not least, also intakes for the engine, wings, and that's it. And of course, as usually, now the all parts and the engine manual in detail to get a better view of the details. Enjoy! When the motor is done, it has a wingspan from 60 centimeters and a length from 40 centimeters. So it's really a huge aircraft. Yeah, my resume of this unboxing is for 15 euros, so here's the price you get it at eBay. It's worth of it. There's some nice decals. you can make some great versions. Yeah, so let's see how it's going to be when we build it. So see us next when I'm going to build this great Sky Patrol TR1 from Italeri. Bye.